Hey y'all, so this is Bake with Key. Today we are doing episode 1 of our Royal Icing Sugar Cookies 101. This is going to be a 40-part series. Nothing but beginner tips. For those of you that don't know, when I started my cookie business, I was a beginner. Everything that I learned through videos, tutorials, Pinterest finds, you name it. So in this series, I want to teach you everything that I've learned. So if that is an interest of you, make sure you follow along. So our first equipment that I highly recommend as a beginner is a stand mixer. It makes things so much easier for your dough to come together. And one thing with Royal Icing sugar cookies, your cookie base, you want consistent cookies every time. You don't want one time they were a fail, the other time they were a success. In my experience, mixing sugar cookie dough with a hand mixer just didn't yield the same results as a stand mixer. So if you are on a budget, because in this beginner series I am focusing on budget friendly options, as well as, if you have a little money to splurge, there is a mixer linked on my Amazon storefront, and it is in the $100 range. Now, I have no experience with this mixer myself, but the reviews were really, really great. However, if you do have the money to splurge, I recommend a KitchenAid stand mixer, and I'll show you mine in just a minute. This is the same mixer that I have been using since I started my business 5 years ago. She has been through a lot. She has a lot of peels on it, but she runs great still. The KitchenAid stand mixer, as well as the budget-friendly stand mixer, both will be linked in my Amazon storefront if that's an interest of you. However, I must tell you that don't sleep on garage sales in your local neighborhood and Facebook Marketplace. I have seen so many stand mixers, KitchenAid specifically, on Facebook and in garage sales. So definitely check those out. If you really want a stand mixer but it's not in your budget, definitely check that out. And as always, the theme of this beginner series is to start with what you can afford, and you can always upgrade as your business grows.